Do you guys feel like the internet as a whole, as a resource, is kind of frustrating now?
It's kind of game over.
It's game over. Like I'm remodeling our bathrooms, and I have spent hours just trying to find the answer to something. Whereas before it used to be really easy. But the problem is now there's 1,000 YouTube videos that have the clickbait where it's like best way to do a tile shower. And then it's 20 minutes and they spend 18 of the minutes where they're just like, first of all, I want to shout out to like my sponsors and like they're amazing. And wait for the end of the video because then you're gonna actually learn like the best trick to putting this shower in. It's gonna be amazing. Okay, so first, like today, I was driving to Home Depot and I was looking around and I was like, wow, this is crazy. Look at this sale. And I'm like, can I please quit? Like, all the videos are people who want views. It's no longer, I don't find anybody anymore that is, hey, I wanted to save someone some time. So here's my phone. This is what you buy. This is what you do. Thanks. 2 minutes, I'm done. You know, like,
There's like 5 minutes right as he's about to do the thing, and his kid walks into the video, and it's like him interacting with the kid and everything. I think if you can find like the 50-year-old dude who's like holding the phone upside down, trying to say as monotone as possible, listen to that guy. He knows what he's doing because he's not doing it for the views.
Yeah, that's just a good, like, that's the internet as a whole. Nobody's doing anything just
to do it, just to be nice.
anymore.
Like, oh, this would help. That's how it was a while ago, right? Where it's like,
Yeah.
wow, cool, I can post a video. And then, hey, this thing took me 5 hours to figure out. And I thought I should just put the answer here because that'd be nice to do. That was like so nice.
The world changed when you were able to make money from YouTube or from anything. Money is the root of all evil, everyone.
What would the world be like if nothing had ever been monetized online
Oh,
and it was still just open for them, but no benefit to participating?
it would be a beautiful, blissful society.
We'd still have chat rooms where we could like mess with
You could
people.
put ISIS beheading videos on the internet again.
Who wants to watch that though?
Everyone in my elementary school.
What?
Yeah, bro.
That sounds terrible.
That's how we grew up. My generation was like, Zach's generation probably bled into this as well, but it was like we were on the come up and our parents didn't understand the internet. And so we got the internet. Our parents didn't really get the full picture, and so we just kind of were in the Wild West.
Uh-huh.
And that was my generation.
And then they made the Minions movie, and it was just over.
What?
Everybody's grandma found Facebook and started posting Minions memes.
No, that's, I just mean like my parents didn't know what Live Leak was.
I was about to say, you remember Live Leak?
Yeah, my parents didn't know what Live Leak was.
What's Live Leak? I've never.
It's where you could just post videos of people dying.
That's where all the ISIS beheadings were. That's where I remember watching the Saddam Hussein getting executed video in
watch
6th grade.
cartel torture videos and stuff like that.
Wow. No, is that still up?
No,
I got taken down. But there's versions of it. I was looking for a video the other day, and there's like a billion websites.
You can go to watchpeopledie.com.
And like my generation now is like, yeah, we're not letting our kids have the internet or phones because we actually understand what it was.
Oh yeah, like my kids don't have social media.
Yeah.
They can use a computer at the kitchen table in front of us. But it's also like, maybe I'm doing this wrong, but I'm like, okay, the 16, 17-year-olds in my family, I'm like, because they're used to having to ask for every little thing. So now Joshua will be like, hey, Dad, can I do some research on YouTube? I'm like, yeah. And he's like, well, what? I'm like, no, just do it.
Yeah.
I'm like, you're about to leave home. You know what you should be looking at. You know what you shouldn't. Like, but you're, like, and he's totally like, I don't know what to do with my life because I'm literally like, you decide. Really? I said, yeah, because now if you do something stupid, you're still in the home for another year. But I've taught you, go make some mistakes. Let me know how it goes, And I like the younger ones, no phones, no social media. They can play in the dirt.
I've seen Toy Story 5. I know how that plays out.
Yeah,
I haven't seen it yet. Is it good?
Great movie.
Yeah,
it is good.
It's good.
We've been trying to watch The Sheep Detectives at home because
Zach didn't like it.
Just because
No,
you told me it was great.
Yeah.
Cassie's like wants to see it.
If it's out on digital, I'm gonna see if I can put it on the server.
It
Maybe
is.
I'll do that tonight.
It is, yeah. It's out
on
free.
digital.
It's like free on something,
Oh,
Tubi
really?
or something like that.
Amazon Prime.
Tubi.
Tubi.
One of
Yeah,
those.
I think it might be a
So
Prime
Brock
original.
really hyped it up for me. It did not live up to the hype. but
Cassie
I thought
wants
it
to
was a good
see it,
movie.
and she respects your
It's
opinion. So I
great.
told her that you said it was great, that it had actually good underlying story, and
Yes.
Brock also
Zach
liked
can agree with
Disclosure Day.
that. I did not like Disclosure Day, you rat.